Alright, let's go, boys. First five. Marvin, alam mo yung mga number ng iba? Nakabago yun. Number 1. Basket number 93. Foul number 18. Reynaldo, uwi ka na? Uwi ka na? Asuso ka ba?
Oh. Let's go! Anong oras ba si Dylan? Sige, sige muna. 2 points by number 1. Yeah, number 1 dribbling the ball, pass to number 30, back to number 7, Nuke. 2 points. 2 points by Nuke, the MVP one. Yes, number 80 dribbling the ball, pass to number 3-point shot. Yes. 3 points, 3 points, 3 points. 3 points. Number 24, 3 points. 24, 3 points. Two points yung 18, 2 points. Excuse me po. Salamat. Maraming salamat. Yes, number 24 shot. Yes, 2 points by 24. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sponsors. Yes. Yes, ang ganda naman nun. Number 1, 2 points. Kinaliwa. Alright, number 30 dribbling the ball. Pass to 24, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 93, back. Ang bilis nila eh. Yes! Foul counted. Who's foul, rep? Who's foul? Foul, left foul. Number 0. 2 shots, 2 shots. Three-point shot. Nuke push shot. Nuke dribbling the ball. Yes, nice pass. Back to number 1. Number 1 shot. Yep, rebound by 24, pass to number 80 all the way down. Yes, 2 points by number 80. 2-point shot. 30, dribbling the ball. Yes, looking for shot, pass to Nuke. Nuke looking for shot. 2-point shot. No good, rebound by number 41. Pass, hey, steal. Yes, back to black. 30. 3-point shots. No. Hey. Backing. 24 looking for shot. Lakas yung number 1, no? 3 seconds. Nangitlog po si number 1 sa ilalim. Lakas yung number 1, ha? Pag-addict talaga sa basketball, ganun talaga. Oy, 3-point shot! Yes! 2-point shot by number 30. Nice spots! Ang ganda naman ng drop pass ni 59. 2 points by 41. Ang galing ng drop pass nun, ha. Yes, number 30, dribbling the ball, looking for pass. Pass to number 1. Back to Nuke. Nuke looking for shots. Rebound by 59. 0-0. Yes, 80. Number 80, Lazo, binababa ang bola. Back to 24. 24 shot. Yes, rebound by number 30. Dribbling the ball all the way down. Looking for pass. Number 1. Yes. Out of the ball. 19 seconds. 19 seconds to shoot. Black. Ang ganda na pasa ng number 8. Foul. Foul 59. First personal foul, number 59. Oy, ang ganda naman ng drop pass noon. Ang galing, 2-point shot by 0-0. Adam. Lazo, dribbling the ball. Back to 24. 24, looking for shot. Pass to 47, back to 93. Hey, nice steal on number 18. Back to number 30. Nice pass. Yes, 2 points by number 30. Yes, 59, looking for shot. All the way. Oy, pinasa pa. Hindi pa tinira. 24 shot for 3 points. Yes, 3 points. Ah, 2 lang. Sorry, rep. Dalawa yung call, 2 at 3. 2 points lang yun, ha, 2 points. Yes, kinaliwan ng number 1, ang galing. 2-point shot by number 1. All the way number 18, Lasso all the way down, looking for pass. Oy, still. Nuke dribbling the ball. Yes, looking for teammate, shot. Yeah, no good. Oy, nakuha ni number 18, shot again. No good again. Ang ganda naman ng pasa. Number 13, Niley. Hey, wala. Follow-up shot. Hey, there's a foul. Foul. 7. Pushing foul. Sub, rep, sub. Substitution, rep. Thank you. Rep, substitution. 18 out. Ano yun? Sino yun? Rep. Sadali. Tanggalin mo yan mo, pare. Okay, back to the ball game. Sorry, rep. Back to the ball game, guys. Inbound by 24. Yes, pass to 59. Back to 24. To Discarte. Back to number 80. 80, looking for pass. Back to number 24. 24, Discarte. Hindi maka-attack. Oy. Ayan na, 3-point shot. Wala. Rebound by Nuke. Nagmamadali. Ang ganda ng pass sa number 5. Batang-bata. Oy! There's a foul. Batang-bata na. Foul number 80. First personal foul. Batang-bata, matangkad pa. Sayang, di pumasok. Ay, duma pa. Pag ibang lahi yan, masasanay sa Pilipino yan. Ayan na! Yes! Good shot! 1 point, 1 point. Yes, Lasso, pinababa ang bola. Number 80. Looking for teammate. Yes! Pass to 59. Oy! Up, up, there's a foul. There's a foul. Who's foul rep? Yes, number 00. Adam, second foul. Adam. Yes, 24. Ang ganda. Kitang-kita 3 points. Bartolome. 3 points. Ang ganda ng 3 points para Michael Jordan. Looking for pass. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Looking for shot. Back to number 30. Attempt. Yes. 2 points by number 30. Ang galing. Ayan na. Binababa ni number 80 ang bola. Looking for pass. Back to teammates. 24 again. Release. Yes. Wala. Rebound ni number 5. Nagmamadali ang block. Nagmamadali. Oy! Hindi pa pinasa. Ayan na ang 41. Binalik sa Bartolome. Timira 3 points. Wala. Ang ganda ng follow-up. Yes! Basket. Who's foul rep? 91. First personal foul. Foul counted. Last pala ng team nyo, pare.
Get up and run it down. All ready. And of the first quarter. foul. Rebound number 8. Number 6. 14. Apple. Number 0. All right, that's after the point guard. Looking for the first. This turn against Michael Booth. Good. Anticipate the red ball. What a big shot. All what it is there. To the 2K. No ball to drop number 1. Good ball. Behind the back pass. Pass from Michael Good ball. Right. What a move from pass! What a pass! All right, back to the Next turn, looking for now. Ball. And there's a foul. Foul number 3. Bigay ng liwala. Yan pala ang hinihintay. May liwala. Red ball, foul number 2. Number 44, behind the back pass, Tuala. All right, 2 points from that. right back to the goal line. We are now in the first quarter. Let's go, let's go. That's the power of it.
Hello. Peralta, rebound. Pass to Naile. Naile dribbling the ball. Naile. Pass to Kirby. Kirby. Pull up jumper. Pasok yan. 2-point shot. 45-43 in favor of Daimler for three. Wala. Rebound by Naile. Naile. Pass to Don. Pass to Esclada. Kirby again. Wala. Rebound by Don. May foul na tayo kay Bartolome. Second team foul. Pass to Nile, pull up jumper! Wala! Sayang rebound by Chris. Tumatakbo ang yellow. Pinas, nilayaw pala. Oh, rebound by Cardona. Cardona. 4-3! Wala! Rebound by Kirby. Bumababa si Kirby. Kirby, atake. Pass to Peralta. Back to Kirby. Nice pass! Easy 2 points yan. All 45 tayo. 3 minutes, 25 seconds into the third quarter. Cardona. Hesitation. Pass to Chris. Chris, pass to Daimler. Back to Cardona. 4-3. Paso! 48, 45. 3-point lead again. Oh. Nile. Nile pass to Don. Pass to Peralta. Peralta. Umatake Peralta. Nasundot. Pass to 1-on-1. Tumakbo. May foul na daw. Penalty tayo. 2 shots tayo. 2 shots. Penalty. Nile third personal foul. First shot. Wala, malakas. Last draw. Last shot tayo by Cardona. Wala, rebound by Don. Esclada. Esclada pala. Back to Esclada. Wala, malakas. Rebound again by Esclada. Back to Don. Don. Pass to Peralta. Pass to Esclada. For 2. Yes, sir. 2 points yan. Yung mga qualified sa Division 4, pwede na magpalista. Bumawi. Wala. Peralta. Galing talaga. Nice rebound by Peralta. Peralta, umatake. Pass to Kirby. Lamang na. 49. 48. Mukhang ginanahan ah. Pag-shot. Chris. Ay! Ay! Travel na. Travel na. Nauna na ang paa. Bago ang pasa. 1 minute tayo sa third quarter. Ha? Half time. Henry. Wala. Wala sa inyo, wala sa inyo. Hindi pwede. Wala nga. Pasok ka. Hindi kayo pwede mag-time out. Hindi kayo pwede. Sila may time out. Sila may karapatan mag-time out. Ball possession nila eh. Magaya naman. Illegal. Dati ba yun? Mga kuhan lang yun. Paulo! May 3 seconds na! Okay, 18 seconds tayo. Hindi, wala. Wala. Kanilang bola eh. Kanilang bola. Nari ka dyan, madadali ka yan. Esclada! Umatake! Ay! Naabot pa! Umabot pa tayo. 2 shots tayo. 2 shots by Escalada. Escalada. Si coach mong gugulang eh. Walang gulangan. Nakashoot lang nga. Gusto pa mag-time out? Last two. May isa pa tayo. May isa. End na po tayo ng third quarter. End tayo ng third quarter. Wala. Isa na lang. Pumasok ang isa. Okay, score natin. 52-48 in favor of Elegance Eyewear. Black ball tayo. Start of fourth quarter. Meron po tayong darating na merienda. Maghintay lang kayo. May darating na merienda. Bulalo. Para kay Chris daw. Bulalo. Don Dison. Yan pala yung matinik na Don Dison. Wala. Rebound May foul sa likod. May foul sa likod. Carlo, foul. Saspa. 14 second shot clock. 14. Throw by to Naile. Naile. Hoy, nagaw. Jonard. Jonard. Pass to Saspa. Saspa. Ang atake. Ganda naman. May hang time pa yun. May hang time. 2-point lead na lang ulit. May foul na tayo. May foul tayo dyan. Foul. Bartolome. Second team foul na tayo. Second team foul. Ariel, pass to Naile. Wala. Wala pa. Ariel Borge. Wala talaga. Sayang. Dalawa na naman. Saspa. May counted na. Tumagilid. May kasama pang foul. Matake talaga sa pass break. Ang lakas. Oo. Bonus play to tayo. Tabla na po tayo ulit. 52 all. Shout out sa naka-red. Mrs. Jonard Lasso. Naile. Back to Ariel. Ariel, atake. Inatake na nga. Wala. Oy, Don Dizon. Dizon, nabitawan ng bola. Sayang naman yun. Ang lakas sana. Hey. Ang lakas sana nun. Hop! Daimler! Daimler! Pull up mo! Wala! Lugada! Rebound! Pass to Saspa! Back to Jonard! Porche! Wala! Sayang! Daimler again! Ayos na yan kay Daimler! Ang dami ng tirador dito! Umuulan! Umuulan! Yan na! Ang matitikas na Henry Sarves! Yan talaga! Ayan na! Mayroon pa isa dito, pangiti-ngiti lang. Ayan na! Humanda na kayo. Ariel! Basto! Ganda naman! Huli! 2 shots daw yan kay Ares. Mr. Ares. Okay. Chris, third person of foul na. Chris. 2 shots by Aris. Unang pito, wala, kapos. Lalakas siya ng konti pag dumating ang ating kuwan, merienda. Wala, malakas. Chris, rebound by Chris. Daimler. Atake pa si Daimler. Daimler. Ganda ng pasa kay Carlo. Carlo. Traveling na daw yon. May travel ng kasama. Nice rep. Nice call daw yon. Nice call. Nag-alangan kung ipapasa o ititira ng ibabaw. Mr. MVP, J.R. Sara! Ang lakas naman! Kanino ang bola? Rebound by Peralta. Peralta. Pass to Ariel. Ariel umatake. Ganda naman! Pasok yan! 55-54. Back to 1-point lead tayo. Ready po substitution tayo sa yellow. Saspa. Sa baba daw, sa baba. Sa baba, sa baba. Penalty tayo. Wala pa pala. Third team foul pa lang. Third team foul pa lang. 50. Second team foul, yellow. Black. Saspa. Wala, malakas. Rebound by. Hop. Ay, sayang. Yellow daw. 14 seconds shot clock tayo. 14 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Jonard. Back to Patrick. Malakas. Rebound by Peralta. Peralta. Oh, maya-maya daw. At ibababa niya ang bola. Pass to Don. Ganda naman, sayang, mahina. Naile! Pasok yan! By kasama pang banda. Lamang na po ulit. 1 point lead tayo. 1 point lead. Wala. Rebound by Dizon. Op! Rebound by Escalada. Escalada. Pass to Peralta. Pass to Dizon. Dizon. Pass to Naile. Naile pull up jumper. Pasok yan! Woo! Lamang na ulit. 58. 55. Both team, may dalawa pa kayong timeout. Hoy, still! Ariel, pass to Naile. Wala, ay pasawa. Sayang yon. Galing talaga ni Mr. Naile. Mr. Henry Naile, 2 points. John Hart Portre, babawi. Wala. Rebound by Peralta. Dead ball, sir. Dead ball timeout tayo. Dead ball timeout. Dead ball timeout tayo. Ang ganda ng atake ng Black. Ang ganda ng atake. Pass to Ariel. Ariel, pass to Escalada. Ay, sayang, nabitawan. Pass to Peralta. Portre! Wala. Op, wala na. Umubos. Time out. Yellow, sayang. Naubusan ng oras. Pasok na sana. Last 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Saspa, aatake ba? Saspa. Ganda naman, sayang, nabitawan. Hey, nabitawan lang. Saspa ulit. Wala. Rebound by Kirby, may foul. May foul na. Warning for penalty, warning for penalty. Magagaling. Mga veterans. Mga veterans, no? Ang lakas ng katawan, no? Dizon, ito daw si Don Dizon. Kirby, okay. Pass to Naile. Pass to Peralta. Peralta. Back to Naile. 10 seconds. Don. Nawala. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ay, galing. Umabot pa. Umabot pa. Galing naman. Veterans move, yan ang ating mga veterans player. Parang kitang oras. 1 second, hinagis. Oh, masaya oh. Good luck sa bata mo. Escalada, wala. Last throw tayo. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Last throw tayo, last throw. Last throw. Pasok na yan. 6-1, 55. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Lamang po ang ating elegance. Umatakay si Carlo. Hop, may foul. Nakapayong daw. Substitution tayo, rep. Substitution. Oras. Sino? Number 1, foul. Third personal foul, Dizon. Carlo, wala. Okay. Wala ka talo-talo yung mga yan. Nakaw, matibay. Wala. Jump ball tayo, jump ball. Whose ball? Yellow ball. Yellow. 1 minute, 58 seconds. 1 and 58. Daimler Portre! Wala! Rebound by Peralta. Nice rebound. Pass to Escalada. Pass to Naile. Naile! Sure ball yan kay Naile. Galing talaga. Idol ko din yan si Naile. Nice steal. Antibay. Veterans. Ito mga veterans. Katuwang panoorin. Peralta. May foul na tayo. Penalty tayo. Time out. Yellow. 2 shots tayo, Peralta, 2 shots. Wala, malakas. Okay, last throw. 8-point lead. Last throw tayo, last throw. Pasok yan by Peralta. 9-point lead tayo, 9-point lead. 64-55. Saspa. Daimler Porter. Wala. Wala. Rebound by Don. Oy. Host foul, host foul. Penalty tayo, penalty tayo, penalty. 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. 9-point lead tayo, 9-point lead. Hindi, si Kuha ng foul yata, si 93. Wala. Lakas. Last throw tayo. Pasok yan, laging may isa. 10-point lead na tayo, 10-point lead. Saspa. May foul tayo. Warning for penalty tayo, 1 minute, 8 seconds tayo. Saspa, pass to Elwin, Lugada. May kasamang shot. Ariel, nakuha ang bola. Galing mag-dribble. Pass to Nile, syempre. Dito tayo sa ating veterans point guard. Matibay yan, Escalada. May foul. 2 shots tayo, penalty. First to. Wala ulit. Hindi makadalawa ang block. Last throw tayo, last throw. Pasok na yan. 9-point lead. Saspa. Ganda na sundot. Huli. Wala daw. Ubos na daw ang oras. Inuubos ang oras. 40 seconds. 39. Ang galing talaga ng mga to. Foul na tayo. Bartolome. 2 shots tayo. Ito, baka makakadalawa na. Daimler. 4th personal foul. Ayan na ang idol natin, Mr. Henry Nile. Pasok yan. 10-point lead. Last throw. Sabi ko na. Best player sa kabila. Picturean nyo. Best player sa kabila. Picturean nyo. Don't forget yung best player. Sino best player? Saspa. 2 points yan. 9-point lead. Ariel. Inubos na ang oras. Inuubos na. Pre-throw daw yan. Nagpi-pre-throw muna. 2 shots yan. 2 shots. Foul. Saspa. Oo. Diba yan? Napapalaban kayo dyan. Ay, ito matindi. Ito nakatayo. Assassin. Silent assassin. Matindi yan. Carlo, 18 seconds na lang tayo, 18. Devle Porche! Wala talaga. Pasok yan. Okay, 10 seconds na lang tayo, 10 seconds. Nice game, boys, nice game. Nice game, shake hands tayo mga kasama, shake hands. Nice game tayo, nice game. Thank you, guys, thank you. What a game. Okay, next game, Division 3, Henry Salves versus Masagana. Next court, Simply Pinuis versus Pokeball.